Hello, brainy fellas. Let's look at some incredible idiots who can save the world by just resigning from their work, right? You think having house doors on the ground is what everyone does, but let me introduce you to this amazing, talented brain hack of making a so-called door located above the ground level, and it really had us for a moment. Starting off with the two newbie workers who can't handle a fire hose pipe on their first day of work, and while fixing it accidentally splashes water on themselves. One of them literally hurt with the water pressure directed to his eyes. Hope he's okay. The most satisfying activity for dogs walking off the wet cement. They literally love doing this all the time. This is a bit concerning. These houses have small water next to these houses, and we should actually call the engineer who constructed homes like this. We're all worried for house owners who can't cross the house now. This guy has one work to do, but nope. He just wants to roam around as he didn't even dare to pick the packages that just fall because of him. It's not just us who are annoyed by him. Another worker who came to pick it up saw him and literally want to ask if he wants to work or not. Drivers sleep in the middle of driving too, as this driver is not aware of this pole out from the side of the truck and pulls the car next to the truck with it. The damaged car owner can call a bad luck sign. We are sorry about the fact that the rainwater is splashing in her room, but who prevents water from coming in with a bowl, dude? Can't say much about the circumstances she faced and the brain she is using at this time. It's difficult to understand how this car got stuck in this riverbed bridging the gap between two lands. And on top of that, we really are curious how this man got out of it. This might be a lesson for everyone to drive slowly and see with their brains what's actually in front of them. We aren't actually aware of how this bundle of tomatoes fell on the ground from these suspicious buckets. However, the way the workers are putting it back really seems like it's his day and our last day of not washing our vegetables too. He's really tired of his job as he hilariously throws the delivery packages near the customer door and ran off. This guy is literally holding the cemented brick wall, and we're all damn sure that its end is near and it will eventually have to fall. I just don't understand the urge of workers not to place the packages from the trunk in the right place, and they just want to give it a kick and through it. This worker has to get fired. This house is standing with the thin support of a brick wall that's not even columned. And if this falls, this might be his last day at work as he enjoys taking risks too.
Here we go.
Whoa, So this cement mixture having the cement, I repeat, thawing the cement, is driving on the road, spreading cement casually in the middle of the road. Now, he might be careless or surely a dumb person to ignore the cement and drive with it.
Oh my god. Don't get off now. It's almost gone.
Are these guys seriously want to check if they can save themselves from an electric current while placing the switch panel on a rubber shoe? We're curious about what they did afterward. Kudos to him for at least double-checking the staircases he cemented, which are not matching each other. They have no idea what they did wrong. Gosh, that truck turn with splashing tons of milk packages on the road is really hilarious and might be his last day at work for making a loss of tons of milk boxes. Caught one of the trucks who doesn't care what its trunk is filled with got into the accident while passing through the bridge because the huge animal toy got stuck in the bridge.
Bonk.
It's hilarious to watch, seriously, why this girl is hammering the floor while sitting on it. And yikes, she falls badly on the ground with this thin floor which doesn't look like it's made from wood, but seems like a thin sheet. We don't have a say who's at fault to make this cement wall here, but now these two workers are pulling the rods out and one is hammering the cement into the wall. This is crazy to watch. There comes the funny idiots as they're playing catch-catch with a huge sofa. Our bald uncle can't handle it and end up falling.
Oh no!
It's not the end, guys, as we have 4 people now who are collectively trying to grab this large stone and put it in the trunk. But none is holding the trunk door, which ends up falling on their heads. Are you kidding us, dude? There are like 4 people standing on this wet concrete roof, and yikes, it falls. Hopefully the workers didn't fall. Ending the video with another stupendous guy who intensifies the fire by throwing something in it. And yeah, in the end he'll run away after making this a big disaster. Thanks guys for watching some enjoyable and shocking moments on Idiots TV. Don't forget to like and share with your friends too. Until next time.